Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing in. Use email, Google, or Apple for speed. Once signed in, add a payment method so purchases finish without delay, and enable notifications to track sales and updates. Make sure to set reading preferences, preferred genres, default font size, and download rules like Wi-Fi only. These initial choices streamline discovery and purchases. Once done, the app tailors recommendations and skips repetitive prompts, letting you shop and read faster. Search using title, author, ISBN, or the voice icon to save time. Once results appear, apply filters for price, rating, and format so you see exactly what you want. Sorting by relevancy or newest helps narrow choices. Tap a book to read the sample and check reviews and page count. If you have a promo code, enter it at checkout, otherwise choose Buy Now or Add to Cart. After purchase, the file downloads automatically or goes to your library for instant access. Open your library to download titles, sync reading progress across devices, and switch between ebook and audiobook formats where available. To manage purchases, tap Orders or Settings to view receipts, initiate returns within the policy window, or restore past purchases after reinstalling. If a download stalls or a book won't open, first update the app and clear its cache. Next, check storage and Wi-Fi. If problems persist, contact support and include your order ID and device details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.